How to add link in Instagram bio profile settings guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can add any link or your specific link on Instagram bio. So for that you will simply click on Instagram app. Once we click here you guys simply click on down right side profile pic. Once we click here you guys can see edit profile. Simply click on edit profile. Once we click here you guys can see name, username, pronouns, bio, add link. So simply click on add link. Once we click on add link here you guys can see WhatsApp link, add external link. So simply click on add external link. Once we click on add external link you guys can write the link URL, and also you guys can paste your link URL. For example, here you guys can see titles in title name of that link, and in URL you guys will paste it. And once you paste it, after that click on that mark on top right side. Once you click here you guys simply back, and you guys will see your link in Instagram profile. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.